trucks, garbage trucks, driving through the town, picking cans up off the ground. Garbage trucks. Sometimes when I wake up early in the morning, I hear a monstrous sound. I look out the window and there's a garbage truck picking cans up off the ground. It empties the can and puts it back down, then drives away so loud. Garbage trucks, garbage trucks. The garbage man drives up in the garbage truck and picks that garbage up. He dumps it in the back so that it can be